Everything required is in these two torrents. The patches have the longest decompress, but smaller file size. They'll probably be finished before the installer torrent, so let's start here. Start the unpack. That's it. We'll come back and use the unpack files later. The FFXI game install folder will contain an FFXI installer archive. Go ahead and unpack it. When finished, run FFXI setup.exe. Follow the prompts for installing Play Online. Make sure to take note of where you choose to install. Follow the prompts for installing Final Fantasy and install into the newly created Play Online directory. This install is the longest and will take about 10 minutes. Installing the rest of these expansions should finish considerably faster. Go to the Play Online folder and run POL.exe. This will prompt Play Online to update. Allow it. After updating, we see two options. We're obviously existing members. It doesn't exactly matter what you put in here. I always put in IDFC because I don't fucking care. And close it. Copy your data folder from your Play Online directory into your Final Fantasy directory. Afterwards, you should have the directory Play Online Square Enix Final Fantasy XI data. Back to those patches. Grab everything that unpacked and copy it into your Final Fantasy directory. Run polboot.exe in your Final Fantasy directory, and navigate to the Final Fantasy file check. Use the drop-down to select Final Fantasy. It will do a small check first, and then prompt for a real file repair. After we trigger the file repair, we're going to hop over and install the last few programs. In the standard installations folder, you'll find WinDower 4 set up. Install WinDower 4. After installing, open the program for updates. Don't proceed to this next step until PlayOnline has finished file repairing your Final Fantasy. Rename the POL.exe in your PlayOnline folder to POL1.exe. Copy the custom error loader POL.exe into the folder instead. It's important to remember that the POL1 is the original file and will be used at a later date for updating or repairing your install. Launch after selecting a profile and follow DOS prompt.